In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing transactions from your bank or credit card to QuickBooks. Keeping your financial records accurate and up to date is critical for managing your business effectively. Sometimes, though, transactions from your bank or credit card might be missing in QuickBooks Online, and this can lead to discrepancies in your bookkeeping. But don't worry. Today, I'll guide you through a simple process to upload those missing transactions manually, ensuring your accounts are complete and error-free. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started. Let's dive in. To begin, open QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand panel on your screen there. You'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled Accounting. This will take you to the section where you can manage your financial accounts. Next, select the Bank Transactions tab. This is the area where all your linked bank and credit card transactions are displayed. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Link Account. To the right of that button, there's a small caret icon, a downward-facing arrow. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option Upload from File. Now, it's time to select the QuickBooks account, where you want to upload your missing transactions. This account should match the bank or credit card associated with the file you're uploading. Once you've selected the right account, you'll be prompted to upload your file. You can do this in two ways. Simply drag and drop your bank file directly into the Upload field, or click on the field to open the file picker and choose your file manually. Either method works, so pick the one you're most comfortable with. Before proceeding, ensure that your file is in a supported format. QuickBooks accepts file types like CSV or Web Connect. If your file isn't in one of these formats, you'll need to convert it before continuing. Once the file is ready, take a moment to review it carefully. Check that the dates, amounts, and currency in the file are accurate. Ensuring these details are correct now will save you time and headaches later. When everything looks good, upload the file to QuickBooks. After the upload is complete, QuickBooks will display the transactions for your review. This is an important step, so take your time. Carefully go through each transaction, checking the dates, descriptions, and amounts to make sure everything matches your records. If you notice any transactions with missing information or vague descriptions, you can add or adjust the details directly within QuickBooks. This will help keep your records clear and organized. Also, watch out for potential duplicate transactions. If you've previously imported data for the same date range, there's a chance some duplicates might slip in. QuickBooks often flags these for you, but it's always a good idea to double-check manually. Once you've ensured that all the data is accurate, complete, and free of duplicates, you're ready to finalize the upload, and that's it. Your missing transactions are now added to QuickBooks, and your financial records are up to date. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.